You know, when I was growing up, I was always taught to wash your hands after you use the bathroom, not before.
Much better. Much better. Feel younger.
Alright, wash your hands, wash your face. Guess you took a little bird bath. Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that smile.
Oh, yeah.
Look at them teeth, boy.
So,
Alright, so let's just take a little piss here. You
the
know,
lies
after I
people will
just,
say,
you know,
they're afraid of the
wash
truth.
my face, wash my hands, did a little bird bath.
Just showed me that he's not a man anymore.
What kind of man
When
are
I
you?
saw this video that he made.
Still trying to figure that out, Tony. What kind of man are you?
I asked him for $50. I didn't ask him for shit. I didn't ask him for a
Whoa,
fucking
whoa,
quarter.
whoa, whoa. Tony, slow down. Where are you going? You never washed your hands.
He's the one that was.
The fuck
up
are you
my
doing,
ass,
bro?
Trying to help
You
me
just
out.
took a piss, and you didn't wash your hands. Now you're getting back in bed,
And some
touching your
asshole
mouth.
made a comment saying, "Why'd you take his money? Why'd you
Oh
spend
my
the
God.
money? Why'd you take?"
Rewind that again.
First of all, at that, he's the one that sent $400. And some asshole made a comment saying, "Why'd you take
You
his
must like
money?
the
Why'd you
taste of your
spend the
dick, huh,
money?
Tony?
Why'd you take?" First of all, at that
Unfucking
time,
real.
again.